Hello and welcome to my channel. I am Just Leak. So today I'm going to be doing this waterfall, and this is how it looks. So I already got it started. I'm putting on the first picture. So far what I did was I printed out the pictures, I laminated them, well, cut them out, laminated them, and this part I glued on here with a hot glue gun. So I'm going to continue to finish this while you take a look. And I hope you enjoy what you see. I did do one, which is the picture you seen in the beginning of the video. But I did that with two-sided tape just to see if my measurements was right. It was just a little short in different places. Not for sure how this hot glue is going to act. Remember, put on some kind of protection because it is hot. The first time I did mine with the two-sided tape, and I didn't laminate it, so when I put the picture on, it was wet. Because the water come down here, it do splash. So yeah, you want to be cautious. I'm just putting on my glove. I'm going to turn this sideways. Try to get this hot glue on here quick. But you want to know you want to get it on here quick and hold it down quick, because you know hot glue cool off real quick. So yeah. You can still feel it between this glove. So we don't have to clean up this glue in the end. I probably won't do that on camera. I'll probably let you see it once it's done. Once I get some of these pieces on here. Especially with this hot glue. So when you measure this, I'm not for sure if it was just me or what, but I had to measure it a whole bunch of times. That's why I cut it out on just regular paper. So once I got the size, I knew what size it was because I did it in Design Space. So I had the sizing, so I knew how to go up or go down or what. So I got the sizes. I put water in here beforehand to make sure it works, so you may want to do that too, because you don't want to get all the way done and your waterfall ain't working. So yeah. So I did make sure that it worked. The water came out just great, so I'm happy about that. Take 2 AA batteries also. That glue bothering me, getting on my nerves. So I cut the hole from this one out. So you could get to the switch. You want to make sure you do that one also. This is how it looks so far. Trying to get to the edges and get to this before the glue dry. Yeah, and I know this one right here is too big for this spot. But I made it that way because this top is not a complete square or rectangle, whatever you want to call it. It's not even. That's what kept throwing me off. So I just made it bigger so once I'm done, I could just cut it off. I'm just going to put it on this middle part first. If I can make sure that it's even. Because Jesus Christ. Perfect. So what I did was put it down in the middle. As you see, I put the glue in the middle this time and held it down on this side where I wanted it and wrapped it all the way around. Now, when I put it on here, it'll be even. But this is how it goes. We're learning this together. Trust me, I got a few more to do. By the time I do a couple more, I'll be a pro at this. I want to find something besides that hot glue that's going to make this permanent. But I don't want to use sticker paper because when it get wet, it's going to, have a watermark in there. I definitely don't want the paper to be all soaking wet. So you're going to have to laminate it. Maybe put some of that clear vinyl stuff. I guess I don't think of using that. But I want to see how this going to do first. Like I said, with this hot glue, don't matter because all of this will come right back up. I know you see the glue hanging. Don't worry about that. Because when I finish cleaning it up, I'll be to cut it off, X-Actoed it, wiped it down. This probably has some bling on it, so that's not even going to be seen. So this is how it looks. Got one more piece. Then we'll be all done for that. I'm going to clean it up. I'll cut it on before I clean it up for y'all. Let y'all see it run. And then I'll clean it up and show you in the end. Ooh, it's getting hot under there. Okay. So I measure this to sit down right in here. And that's just what I did. Yeah, you gotta measure these things however many times you need to get it right. On here. And this is how the front and the sides look. They say it take at least 7 ounces of water. Let's see what it do. And there it go. Okay, and I'll be back. I hope you can see it. But that's how I did it with the hot glue and the laminated photo paper. Okay, be right back. Okay, I'm back. So I finished all of, cutting down the glue and putting on my design, and this is how it looks. So if you got this far, please subscribe to my channel, hit the like button and notification bell, share the video. And I thank you for your time. And this is the end of the video. So y'all have a blessed day. And remember, there's always a tomorrow. Thank you and bye.